Hey folks, LA Little here with TA Today, and today about an hour to go in the day, I wrote folks and said, hey, what's happening today, this being Wednesday, last day of the month, is not something to overlook, and that is that market gap down, right, but could not carry, and that was gap down on GDP number. As soon as that happened, right, the buyers started to come in. They got back over into that gap area, and it was takeoff from there. And most of the time, my charts are always 60 bars, and so if you look at the charts here, there's always 60 bars on any chart you look at. And the reason for that is you don't want noise, right? Noise is 70%, 80% of a chart. Most of these bars you see don't mean anything, right? Some of them are significant, and that's what the whole Neoclassical is about, is like figure out what's significant, because most of it isn't. Some of it is, most of it isn't, and when it isn't, you just ignore it. But when you get something like today, this reversal back up, right, comes in, I mean, look at what happened here. This is a bullish retest regen, goes into it, right, comes right back out of it. What was it also going into? It was going into this huge anchor bar. This is one of the most important bars on this chart. Wide price spread, huge volume, right? That's a very important bar. This one's also very significant. You can see when they got into that, that was a big tell too when it reversed back out. Folks, most bars don't mean anything. There's a few that do. And when you get something like today, this is a bullish retest regen, goes back in. Look at your numbers here, ABCD structures. The only one that's active is this one, right? Started on 4.7. C price is there. Here's your target, 20.45. Where is that? That's over the top. That's going to break both these swing point highs. This is on the NDX. If you look at it on the NASDAQ, you got the same thing, right? All these charts lined up the same way today. Here's your NASDAQ. Here's your retest regen, right? Got into it, reversed, back up the other side. What's it going to do? It's got two ABCD structures in play. 18.20, 18.2, which is up here at this swing point high. And then you got another one way up at 21 something. That's on a long term. So, you're talking about the tops. This one you can kind of forget about for now. You're just kind of hanging out there. This is the one that's important. And this is going to do the same thing. It's going to go up there. Look at the S&P 500. Same thing. They're all the same, folks. We all did the same thing today. Important bar, important day. Think about what happens when you're looking at a chart. Sellers are selling. What do? They get into something of strength, right? They disappear and the buyers come in. That's the market signaling to you. This is after a 6-day run, right? That's the market signaling to you something has changed. What changed? Well, what changed was sellers just don't have the momentum right now, right? Buyers do. They want to take this thing higher. Fixing to break this bearish retest regen, going to take out these swing point highs. That's where we're at. I hope that helps. Take care.